So now that you're ready to set up your gummy bear for the osmosis activity, the first thing you're going to want to do after you've gotten your cup and your gummy bear from the front counter, what you're going to do is use the tape that's at your station to write your name, just first name and last initial. You don't have to write out your full name. You don't have to write your class period. And then tear out that piece of tape. Do this relatively small, number one, so we don't waste the tape. Number two, so it attaches just fine to your cup. And it should stand up so that when your cup is on the counter, we can clearly read the name. Also, don't fold it over or bend it down or stick it all the way through. So that way when we're done, we can easily pull off the tape so we can reuse the cups another time. So now that you've got your cup labeled, you're ready to start your measurements. So take your gummy bear, and I'm demonstrating with the matchbox. Take your gummy bear and put it inside your cup. Now your gummy bear is obviously smaller, so it will lay flat on the bottom of your cup. And go ahead and put it on the scale to measure. And you'll see the numbers register on the bottom. So right now this is 7.2, 7.1, 7.2 G for grams. So it seems to have leveled out onto 7.2. So I would write 7.2 grams on my data table. Once that is finished, you need to measure your gummy bear for length, height, and width. Do not put your gummy bear on the scale and measure him on the scale, please. Do it flat on the table with your ruler. Now, I want you to notice that when you set your object up to be measured, please make sure the end of the object is at the end of the scale. Notice that on the rulers that I have, the 1 centimeter line is here, not all the way at the beginning. So make sure that you put the end of your object, the end of your gummy bear, at the 0 line instead of the end of the ruler. So you're going to measure in this direction. So this direction would be 5.3 centimeters, and record that on your data table. Then you're going to record this direction, 3.5 centimeters. Then you're going to measure this direction, 1 centimeter, and record all of your information on your chart. When that is finished, you're going to take your cup with your gummy bear inside of it over to the counter where the sink is, and you're going to want to fill up the water just to the bottom of the tape. So not very much water at all. Now remember, your gummy bear should be in the bottom of your cup. Bring it to the back room and find the correct class period. You have period 5, 4, 1, 2, and 3. Whatever class you're in, you put your cup there. Then return to your seat and move on to your next activity.